Hmm.
Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Naveen, and thank you, Rajiv, for joining in. We are on chapter number 10, which talks about your right to be rich from this
Hmm.
beautiful book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind.
Mind.
And let's hear it from Rajiv because he's super enthusiastic to share with us what all are his learnings. So, Rajiv, let's hear it from you.
Okay. Yeah. So, okay. So it's our right to be rich. Okay. So we are here to lead an abundant life and be happy, radiant, and free. We should have all the money we need to lead a full, happy, and prosperous life. We are here to grow, expand, and unfold spiritually, mentally, and materially. Why we satisfied with just enough to go around when you can enjoy the riches of your subconscious mind? So here the first chapter is saying that money is a symbol. So money is a symbol of exchange. So it means to us not only freedom from want, but beauty, luxury, abundance, and refinement. It is also a symbol of economic health of the nation. When our blood flows in our body, we are healthy. So likewise, when money is circulating freely in our life, we are economically healthy. So when people begin to hoard money,
Hoard money. Hoard money
hoard,
मतलब
yeah,
इकट्ठा करके
hoard
रखना.
money, yeah, hoard money to put it away in tin boxes and become charged with fear, there is economic illness. Money has taken many forms as a medium of exchange down through the centuries, such as salt, beads, and trinkets of various kinds. In early times, immense wealth was determined by the number of sheep and oxen he had. Now we have currency and other negotiable instrument, as it is much more convenient to write a check from carry some sheep around with you to pay bills. मैंने कि बैल लेके नहीं घूम सकते कुछ चेक लेके घूम Hmm. Okay. So the next one is, yeah. So yeah, we can discuss by chapter and chapter, like money is symbol if anyone wants to.
तो मनी इज अ सिंबल के अंदर उसने ये भी बोला है कि अगर मनी को आप सिंबल जैसे लेते हो तो मनी
Hmm.
हैज नीड नॉट टू बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ करेंसी. इट
Yeah.
कैन बी एनी हाउ.
Anyhow. So,
कि अगर इकोनॉमी खत्म भी हो जाती है, अगर हमारे स्टॉक
hmm.
एक्सचेंज भी खत्म हो जाते हैं, हमारा कुछ भी
खत्म
हो
हो
जाता
जाता
है, येट वी विल फील
है।
वेल्दी फ्रॉम विद इन. एंड वी
Yeah.
विल हैव the you have the faith and you have the convenience of the money that you are desiring for.
Hmm.
That is what
Yeah.
was for me. Muskan, do you want to share anything? Thank you for joining in.
Yes. Hello. Hello.
I just showed up.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
glad that you
Welcome.
showed up.
Yes.
So, have you
Uh,
read this chapter?
I have not read the chapter, but I want to add the points. I was just listening to the learnings.
Wonderful.
Today, I was learning about energy a lot, and I get one beautiful point that the energy of need is opposite to the energy of abundance.
Hmm.
Energy of need.
Wow. Can you elaborate on it?
Yeah.
If Muskan is saying that she needs something, that means she's feeling lack of it. And if I'm feeling lack of it, that means it is not present in my life.
Correct.
And then how it will get manifest.
Hmm.
Mm.
Correct.
So, a few days back, I was also reading somewhere. तो उसके अंदर इनफैक्ट ना मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भी लिया था. And they were telling कि what are the things that you need to stop saying and start saying to manifest anything. मैं उसको आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी in the group itself. But anyhow, इसके आगे anything else that you want to share, Muskan?
Yeah, I have so many nuggets. One point I was liking was manifestation does not happen in the state of desperation, and the
Hmm.
state of desperation is opposite to the state of creation.
True.
Hmm.
The moment we start creating, we start adding value in our being, is the moment we start receiving value.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. See, that's why because of all these insights only we were missing you last weekend.
Muskan has been missing from many sessions nowadays.
Yeah.
But I'm looking forward to have her. She was in
Yeah.
Mount Abu since
Okay.
last week. So
Okay.
I'm looking forward to have her more often.
Hmm.
Naveen, do you have anything to share? Or you have any questions to ask?
No, nothing. All good now.
Great. Can we have your camera on? Next is,
Actually, I'm somewhere outside. I got stuck here.
all right,
So
all right,
maybe maybe in the next time, maybe in the next session.
all right, great. How
Okay.
to walk the royal roads of riches?
Hmm.
बताओ भाई कैसे walk करनी है राजीव जी?
Yeah. So if you know the power of your subconscious mind, then you know the royal road to riches of all kinds, like a spiritual, mental, or financial. One who knows the power of subconscious mind, his mind believes and knows definitely that regardless of economic situations, stock market fluctuations, depressions, a strike, war, or any condition or circumstances, he will always be amply supplied, regardless of what form. Okay. Regardless of what form money takes. The reason for this is that he had conveyed the idea of wealth to his subconscious mind. He had convinced himself in his mind that money is forever flowing freely in his life. And and there is always a wonderful surplus of money. So
आज का
that's
सेशन मनी के ऊपर है क्या?
yes,
Yes,
Wow.
you're right. To be
within
rich.
all three chapters are related to money. It's all going. Last
So
chapter
we are
was
going to
also.
attract some wealth in our lives.
Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, all are money related.
हम्म वर्ल्ड वॉर के बारे में भी कुछ बात की गई थी इसके अंदर टुवर्ड्स द एंड दैट जिसके एंड में ये बताया गया था ही वुड स्टिल अट्रैक्ट वेल्थ एंड बी केयर्ड फॉर रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यू करेंसी तो
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक ये वाला पार्ट मैंने अपने लास्ट सेक्शन में बताया है
Mhm.
बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट लुकिंग इनटू द बुक नाउ तो राजीव आई वांट यू टू शेयर कि अब आप अपना इंग्लिश में हिंदी में मिक्स लैंग्वेज में कुछ समझाओ कि व्हाट आपको क्या समझ में आया है इसमें यहाँ देख के हेलो
हाँ हाँ ओके तो उसमें यही बताया कि जैसे हम अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को बिलीफ ये दिला देते हैं, ठीक है, कि रिगार्डलेस ऑफ कोई कुछ भी सिचुएशन हो, ठीक है, लेकिन हमारा जब सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में हमने वो बिलीफ अपना पैदा कर दिया, उसको कन्विंस कर दिया है कि आई विल बी अबंडेंट, मनी विल फ्लोज टू मी फ्रीली, देन आई विल बी ऑलवेज बी इन अबंडेंस स्टेट and despite of any situation or any circumstances.
wow
Yeah,
wonderful
so that's what they're trying to say in this.
great
Yeah.
let's hear it from Muskan.
There is I was listening about history, so I just remember one thing read somewhere. There was a king, his name was Alexander, and there was one more king, his name was Puru. And this is a fight, World War of Hydas Pass in 326 BC. So Puru was defeated by Alexander, and Alexander asked Puru that how you want me to be treated now, कि मैं आपको कैसा ट्रीटमेंट दूं, आप तो हार गए हो. So Puru was in so much self-dignity. He said, "Treat me like a king treats to a king."
Hmm.
And the moment Puru said this, Alexander ने अपना पूरा kingdom पुरु के हाथ पे दे दिया कि you rule it, because I am just impressed by the way you feel yourself as a king, and extra dynasties भी उसके हाथ में कर दी.
Wow.
Hmm.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
That's very smart,
Yeah.
actually.
Yes.
That's the power of actually
Sub
your belief, your
belief.
trust in yourself, your belief in yourself, your belief in your deservability. And you know how they say that how you treat yourself is how you train other people to treat
Another.
you. That's exactly what happened there.
Hmm.
Wow, beautiful. Why you do not have more money?
Hmm.
क्यों नहीं है भाई? क्योंकि
Yeah.
हम साइलेंटली कहीं
Literally
ना कहीं उस
कहीं
पैसे को कंडेम करते हैं।
कंडेम करते हैं
किसी और के पैसे को देख के जब जब हमारे दिल में आता है कि यार इसके
आती
पास
है.
बहुत पैसा है, शिट,
Yeah.
why is he enjoying and I'm not enjoying?
Hmm.
What are you doing? You're condemning
Hmm.
them.
Hmm. Yeah.
Let's hear it from
Yes.
Rajiv. Rajiv, let's hear it.
Yeah. So like big see right, like they are having BMW, they are having Audis. Why we are still in Naxon? So whenever we feel like that way, right, about money, then yeah, we are just telling them to just go away from our life. So we should not condemn it. We should always welcome it. We should always bless them when we see them. That okay, wow, he is having so much. Let he gets blessed more and more, and God bless me as well.
Yes.
So those
उनको भी
kind of
ब्लेस करो और
yeah,
अपने आप को भी ब्लेस करो।
अपने आप को भी
इनफैक्ट तो
bless
उनको
करो.
ब्लेस करने से आपके पास ब्लेसिंग्स अपने आप वापस आने ही वाली हैं।
Correct. Yes.
बट या लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम यू मुस्कान।
Naveen will not speak.
No. I can speak. I can absolutely speak. I read it somewhere on the internet. Like uh, money is just state of mind. If you are poor, money can buy you happiness, and if you are rich, then definitely money can't buy you the happiness. So that's the line which I'm just quoting you for everyone. So this can shows it only a state of mind. Whatever that we think that it is only up to our thinking. So that's what I wanted to add it.
That's insightful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Money carries energy.
Energy.
जैसी आपकी एनर्जी होगी वैसे
Yeah.
आपके बैंक अकाउंट में भी होगा।
Look up.
अभी अगर नहीं है तो स्टार्ट
Yeah.
रिफ्लेक्टिंग कि हमारे को कहाँ
Yeah.
पे अपने आप को शिफ्ट करने की जरूरत है,
Shift करने
राइट?
की जरूरत है. Correct.
एंड पता है क्या है, एक्चुअली द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी डू नॉट कॉन्शियसली डू दैट व्हाट वी आर क्रिटिसाइजिंग। जो कह रहे हैं ना कि मनी को क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, वो हम कॉन्शियसली नहीं कर रहे हैं। कॉन्शियसली तो हम बोल रहे हैं आई वांट टू अट्रैक्ट वेल्थ, आई वांट टू बी वेल्दी, आई
Yeah.
वांट टू बी रिच, आई वांट टू बी अ मनी मैग्नेट। अनकॉन्शियसली जब जब हमारा दिल छोटा होता है ना, ऐसे करके क्रंच करता है किसी और की सक्सेस को देख के,
देख के.
सबकॉन्शियसली
And
हम
due to
उसको
our
criticize करते
yeah, and due to our childhood learning also, right? That
हैं। और
how
ऑल्दो
we
हम लोग
got
अपने आप को हर बार शिफ्ट भी करते
taught
हैं।
about money.
हम लोग जब हमारा दिल में थोड़ा सा ऐसे धक 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 थोड़ी तेज होनी शुरू होती है, हम अपने आप को बोल रहे थे पता है कितना अच्छा है, उसके पास पैसे हैं, वाओ गॉड ब्लेस हिम विद मोर मनी, बट फिर भी अपने दिल में
More
टिट टिट
money.
टिट 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 हो रहा होता है। एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली क्रिटिसाइजिंग द मनी, क्योंकि आपका दिल नहीं एक्सपैंड हो रहा होता उसमें। आपका दिल तो ऐसे श्रिंक होने की हो रहा होता है, बट आप अपने मुंह से बोल रहे हो बिकॉज यू वांट योर सबकॉन्शियस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज हाउ आई वांट टू बी। बट आई थिंक द इनिशियल स्टेप्स आर ऑल्सो दीज ओनली कि हम अपने आप को बार बार बोले यस वाओ बहुत पैसे है यार। किसी की सक्सेस स्टोरी आती है, वाओ हम कैसे लिखते हैं ना, ओहो आई एम सुपर 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 थ्रिल्ड टू नो दिस, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, कितने सारे इमोटिकॉन्स भेज देते हैं। सच्ची में दिल की हालत वही होती है कि कुछ और होती है, इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट? So why do we not have money? इसके बारे में तो बता दिया। Let's hear it from Muskan as well.
My network was gone. Then I connected with the energy of love, and then I came back again.
Yeah. Now this is better. Yeah, this is better than previous. Yeah. Yes, your screen is not fluctuating now.
It is said that the amount of money we spend on ourselves is the amount of money, matlab on ourselves, for our learnings, for our growth, for our knowledge, or for our self development is the amount of money we can earn in only 1 month. जितना भी हमने spend किया है on any programs. This is a law
Wow.
because we have that moral backgrounds to ask.
हम उसको रिजर्वेबिलिटी भी समझते हैं ना, हमको लगता है कि यार मैंने इतना अपने ऊपर खर्चा है, मतलब कि आई डू हैव दैट मच विजडम कि आई शुड बी अर्निंग एटलीस्ट दैट मच
In 1 month.
एंड 1 मंथ की तो बात ही बहुत बल्ले बल्ले है भाई। जितने कमाए सोच लो कितने कितने अपनी सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट पे खर्चे हैं। जस्ट इमेजिन एंड बी हैप्पी फॉर द अमाउंट यू कैन generate
Yeah.
in 1 month.
Teach how also.
I really like this mantra. And because Jim Rohn says na that keep 5 coaches, I kind of keep this mantra that I am a lifelong learner. I'm a lifelong learner. I'm a lifelong. I have to keep those 5. I have to keep those 5 to just grow, to just build myself.
Amazing.
Wow. Amazing.
Money and a life balance. All right. Let's hear it from you, Rajiv. इसके अंदर इन्होंने बताया था कि अगर आप sorry please go ahead.
Yeah, continue. Okay, so we have forgotten that we are here to lead a balanced life. We must satisfy the hunger for peace of mind, harmony, love, joy, and perfect health. By making money a sole aim, we simply made a wrong choice. Okay, so we must balance our life also with money. Okay, like we should train our subconscious mind that we can have millions of dollars. Okay, as well as we can have the peace of mind, harmony, and perfect health and all.
Many a times जब इंसान सिर्फ पैसे के पीछे भाग रहा होता है तो पीस ऑफ माइंड छोड़ देता है, फैमिली छोड़ देता है, एंटरटेनमेंट छोड़ देता है, wherein जब पैसे आ जाते हैं आफ्टर दैट द पर्सन रियलाइजेस कि यार फैमिली भी नहीं रही साथ में, बच्चे भी मुझको प्यार नहीं करते हैं, अब मैं क्या करूं इस पैसे का। एंड नो वन इन द अर्थ, नो वन ऑन दिस प्लैनेट वांट्स टू एंजॉय द लग्जरी अलोन। हर किसी को क्या चाहिए, जब हमारे पास बहुत सारा पैसा हो तो हमारे साथ में हमारी सारी फैमिली हो।
फैमिली चाहिए जिसके साथ हम उसको सेलिब्रेट कर सकें, एंजॉय कर सकें।
तो हम जब भी अपने पैसे को मैनिफेस्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, वी विल ऑल्सो नॉट फॉरगेट दैट वी वांट पीस ऑफ जॉय, पीस ऑफ माइंड, हार्मनी, बैलेंस, लव एंड परफेक्ट हेल्थ एज वेल। ये ना हो कि पैसे कमा ले और उसके बाद हेल्थ ठीक करने के लिए उसी के ऊपर लग जाए सारे पैसे।
लग जाए।
So many people do this, right? There is a very beautiful, affirmation as well that he has shared over here.
That's why they say, right, to balance the life of wheels. Like all health, relationship, career, money, contribution, everything we must balance.
Yes. इसे ये बड़ी अच्छी सी लाइन बोली थी इसके अंदर, इफ यू सेट योर हार्ट ऑन मनी एक्सक्लूसिवली and say money is all I want, I'm going to give all my attention to amazing money, nothing else matters. You can get money and attain a fortune, but you have forgotten that you are here to lead a balanced life. You must also satisfy the hunger for peace of mind, harmony, love, joy, and perfect health. ठीक है? तो all right, that was what I wanted to share. Muskan, do you have anything to share on this?
As money is energy, we can work on attaching energy with the money, like different emotions such as abundance, magic, progress, and with that emotion we can also write our being. For example, if somebody is saying, "Oh, Archana ma'am is here."
Hi, Archana.
Hello.
So we are being abundant and we are attracting money along with joy, peace of mind, health, and perfect health as well.
Yes.
We were talking
Yes.
about you in the previous sessions, and I was just asking her that when she will come and about Archana ma'am. Yes, we were talking about her, na?
Oh,
Finally, you are
thank you.
तभी मैंने अर्चना को आज लिंक ही भेज दिया, मैंने कहा फ्री हो गए तो ज्वाइन कर लेना.
हाँ, इसलिए मैसेज अभी मैंने पढ़ा, तो फ्री हो तो कर लेना. बाय चांस माय क्लास इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ. वन ऑफ द पर्सन शी इज नॉट फीलिंग वेल, सो आई सेड ओके, ठीक है.
चलो मैं
फिर
अब अपनी
अचानक
मनी
तुम्हारा
एनर्जी की कर
मैसेज
लेती हूँ.
पढ़ा, मैंने कहा लेट मी ट्राई.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for joining in.
थैंक
All
यू फॉर
right.
कॉलिंग मी.
All right, Muskan, let's hear it from you.
So we can attach the energy with the being. Like for example, if I say that I will feel successful after earning money, so the being is surrender. The
Hmm.
being is divine timings, divine intelligence. The being is I trust the process of life. So not only working on the emotions but on the being, because emotions बाद में feel होएंगे, पहले being feel होएगा.
Yes.
Similarly, if I say magic, so the being says, I've written it. I'll just open the notebook. कौन सी वाली थी? Green color की copy. Yes. आज मैं बैठ के लिख रही थी, it just happened. हाँ, तो if we are saying magic, तो the being is saying that abundance is flooding towards me from all directions. And if the emotion I want to feel progress with the money, so the being is I have to appreciate myself rather than feeling less of self. Less of self in the sense ki kind of for example,
Unworthiness.
great I have some great goal list and it has not been done, but I have done a little. कल रात को 2 बजे I was हमारे घर में सारा शिफ्टिंग का सामान फैला, I was just on the top floor and I was like मम्मी अकेले करेंगे, let me do it थोड़ा सा खुद से. And I was thinking मैं सारा निपटा दूंगी जब मैं ऊपर गई थी, बट मेरे से थोड़ा सा ही हो पाया. उसके बाद I was like नींद आ रही है. And when I was coming down to the ground floor, I was thinking, appreciate yourself for the progress you made.
Yes, at least you took some initiative
Yeah.
to help your mom.
That was the moment I had that realization inside myself that I have to appreciate myself for my progress rather than saying myself कि तूने complete सफाई नहीं करी ऊपर की. The progress, similarly, this is the energy we can just attach with the money as well, that we have to appreciate the progress. The fourth is gratitude. Gratitude में the being is the value, what the value of all the things, all the presence I'm having right now. And the highest energy. So in highest energies, I just take that, I just feel that I am Muskan and I'm surrounded by my mentors. This is my highest energy.
Wow.
Oh.
How sweet. How
Mhm.
sweet and humble. All right, let's hear it from Archana. Archana, money and a balanced life के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Would you like
Okay.
to add something to this?
Money and balanced life.
Yes.
So what it is actually saying कि money requires for the balanced life, something like that.
So money alone, if you manifest, you will be left all alone. Life में balance money के साथ जरूरी है.
जरूरी
You
है.
need love, you need joy, you need peace of mind, you need health
Yes,
Health.
as well.
we need everything to
Yes.
have a balanced life. Not only money. Of course, like money has its own importance, but yes, along with money, your other areas of life are also very important. So you need to be, it's not that, okay, you have a lot of money, only then you will feel accomplished or joyful or happy. You can be happy as in whatever state you are. And it's like your own, जैसे मुस्कान बात करी थी, your own being, who you are, what you are. So it all depends how you feel, how you perceive things. That makes you happy. So happiness is your own choice. Joy is your own choice. It is not dependent on money. So money has its own place, and everything is, of course, needed to keep the right balance.
I want to ask something from Archana ma'am.
हाँ,
As she's
बताओ.
here,
तुमने अभी करना है मेरे साथ इंस्टा लाइव. You were there in the morning.
You just attended with Karishma ma'am. I've seen lot of photos in MMI, and we are talking about money. So, what are your golden nuggets from there?
From MMI. Oh, lot of golden nuggets. Lot and lot of
Every
golden
time I
nuggets.
open Instagram, I see both of you. इतने सारे photos,
It
dancing
is
day 1 day, 2 day, 3.
actually, I think we were vibrating at very highest frequency. I mean, I was all out, and it was not starting from that day, but it has already been started on the previous day itself. So I was waiting for Karishma. She was on the way, and I was all alone, and I was just enjoying my life. I was going here and there, having click pics, making videos and everything. Then she joined in. Then we had a blast there, and we were so lucky to have our mentors just standing in front of our eyes. And I just shouted, Karishma, see, oh, he's Suren, he's this, and then all, Thaddeus was there, and it was like all out, and we were like actually attracting abundance that time. We had got best of the days in the hotel, best of the food we ate, best of the time we spent together. Our room was like so luxurious, and all the mentors, they were like, not even a single mentor said no to us in getting the picture clicked. So it was like from there itself that surge of energy started. And then, of course, the program in itself was very powerful, and it has actually raised the vibration. Now I could understand, Karishma, why that lady must have lost her mind. So it was actually very high on vibration wala program. And after that, now what I realized is you should be very, very much prepared after attending such program, what you have to do. Your action steps should be very, very much clear after attending such programs, high energetic programs. Because since I
Otherwise, you
was
will
not
feel कि अरे
into,
क्या हो गया हमारे साथ,
and
कुछ
we were
गड़बड़
like
हो गई.
all mad. I was telling Karishma, I am not able to accumulate my energies, not able to channelize it. I don't know what should I do. I had so much into me. Then I was actually um, remembering Shruti's, sayings, internalize, ye, wo. We actually tried to did all that things, revisions over the dinner table, when we were sitting in our room and all that stuff. Hum logon ko rok ke, please sit with us and discuss. We were like all out. And when we didn't have any kind of plan what to do after that, it was like all going mad. क्या करे 3 दिन तो होश नहीं आता है, all the sounds, all the beats, all everything. आपको लगेगा आप नशे में चल रहे हो घर के अंदर. You were like totally out of your sense. Because next day my maid called me, Didi, I am not coming today. And I was like, हैं, but okay भाई, तूने 3 दिन निकाल दिए, वही बहुत है. And I was like चलता फिरता पता नहीं बुत, having no sense of anything, preparing food and everything. It was like very, very high on energies, very, very high.
And I will tell you, Muskan, after coming from there, we have attracted so many opportunities.
Yes.
ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ मेरे को आई हो, ये सिर्फ अर्चना को आई हो. We both are together in it, है ना?
Yeah.
And it's amazing.
We were being called by people for giving offline this thing, but again certain things didn't chalked out, because we applied our logics also ki we should be very, very mindful in taking decisions as well. We can't go randomly like this. People were calling from also, but we were like, मतलब
अभी
जब तक
थम के चलो
थोड़ा
भैया,
सा थम के चलो, ऐसे ही पागल बावला नहीं हो जाना है कि भाई.
और नहीं, वैसे ही वो 2-3-4 दिन तो ऐसे थे कि we were not able to. At least 1 week I took to stabilize myself. I was taking all my sessions, but अंदर से ऐसे धम चलते धन सब कुछ हो रहा था कि यार क्या चल रहा है.
And I also received clients in the sense for the distance healing and all that stuff. And I was like all this thing, I was constantly calling and talking to Karishma, मेरे से बात कर ले, मेरा दिमाग is like, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, I'm all lost. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कौन आने वाला है कौन जाने वाला है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इट वाज लाइक दैट. सो लाइक माय सजेशन इज व्हेनेवर यू गो इन सच हाई वाइब्रेशनल प्रोग्राम्स, हैव अ प्लान कि उसके बाद आके क्या करना है.
Before going, have a plan.
Have a plan. So yes, if you could be able to, then you can channelize those energy in best possible way.
I'm feeling ऐसा
हमारे
तो
साथ
नहीं है
थोड़ा ये
म्यूजिक
भी था कि
कंसर्ट्स होते हैं,
हाँ जी,
म्यूजिक कंसर्ट्स.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, दे आर ऑल्सो हाई वाइब्रेशनल. अभी क्या है ना, देखो कोमल, म्यूजिक कॉन्सर्ट्स का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वहां तो हम नाच गा के कूद फांद के अपने एनर्जी को बर्स्ट करके आ जाते हैं. बट प्रोग्राम्स लाइक दिस, ऑल्दो वी वर going all out, going on stages, doing dances and everything, but still they are like more of learning programs, right? And you don't believe that in the last session when Thaddeus told us to hug at least 50 people. So I think 50 people were also less. You know, that time your energies were like, my God, so shooting high that you would love to hug each and every person in the room. I think
मैं तो
I
रोई
have
थी
hugged
बहुत,
more
मैं तो
than,
रोई थी, मैं तो रोने बैठ गई थी.
हाँ, मतलब I have hugged, even I cried a lot on the last day, and I have hugged more than I think 100 plus people. I was like all out, and you know the kind of compliments we received, and I mean it was like super amazing. मतलब वो वहीं जाकर आपको समझ में
I'm
आता
just,
है.
because we have not seen that environment, so I'm just able to equate this with Ayodhya wala. I went 5 days to Ayodhya and I was feeling very peaceful. तो वो different है.
Yes.
Obviously ये तो
नहीं,
how
वो
can I
भी
relate?
spiritually Ayodhya. I have heard that Ayodhya has its own high vibrations,
Thing
and
was
people do feel.
Ayodhya plus that 5 star thing plus all the things, मतलब I'm just feeling सब good ही तो है. फैमिली को मिले हो, एक तो ब्रदर
Hmm.
भाभी, I'm meeting after 1 year. So plus I thought मैंने कॉफी पी ली है तो उसका नशा चढ़ गया कोमल देर को. आई वाज सुपर फीलिंग की सब पॉजिटिव लग रहा है. मैंने कहा ये क्या हो गया मेरे को, मतलब सेम समथिंग 30th December, 30th और 31st. तो देन आई वाज लाइक कोमल तुम्हारा फास्ट है, क्लीन ईटिंग प्लस अयोध्या विजिट 30th को प्लस दैट नाइट. फिर मैंने जर्नल किया उस दिन की क्या फीलिंग हो रही है और मतलब आई शुड राइट, और मेरा रेकी एंड एवरीथिंग जो रात को करना था, आई वॉज इन टू दैट. फिर मैंने कहा कि 5 days, मतलब वो 5 days ही ब्लिस बन गया कि हाँ बड़ा पॉजिटिव, एवरीबडी विल बी गुड टू ईच अदर, वही ब्लिस वाला ही सेम.
ऐसा हो जाता है.
यहाँ थोड़ा म्यूजिक वगैरह है, वहां पे भी म्यूजिक होता है न्यू
है, बट
ईयर
फीलिंग सब डिफरेंट हो जाती है बस, और
डिफरेंट.
कुछ नहीं. वो स्पिरिचुअल फीलिंग है. इट इज लाइक योर, एज इफ योर ईच एंड एवरी सेल इज टॉकिंग टू यू. बिकॉज मेरे और करिश्मा से सबसे अच्छी बात क्या थी, वी वर आउट ऑफ आवर हाउसेज ऑल्सो. इफ इट वुड हैव बीन लाइक दिस, दैट वी वर कमिंग बैक टू आवर हाउसेज एंड देन गोइंग बैक, probably our energies would have been like not into that zone. क्योंकि आप जब जाते हो फिर घर आते हो तो आपकी एनर्जीज डिफरेंट हो जाती है. Then again next day you go and you come back. So but we were constantly into that zone.
मतलब
है ना,
आफ्टर
हम
दैट
रात को
इंसिडेंट
डिनर
We
करने जा
stayed
रहे हैं तो
there.
भी हमारे को सेलिब्रिटी कोचेस मिल रहे हैं.
So you won't, और मैं मजे की बात बताऊं कोमल, जाते हुए all of them were sitting there. Thaddeus, Rain, Imran San, they were sitting there. But जब लौटते हुए ना फिर वो क्रेज नहीं रहा. Because now ऐसा लग रहा था उनकी एनर्जीज हमने ले ली है. Now we are Thaddeus, now we are Suren, now we are like this, you know. We were like feeling ourselves as like, you know, at the top of the mountain, and we were so high on vibrations.
we'll have
तो
to check
तब
what they
मैं
gave you,
तो
what they gave you for drinks. We'll have to check.
We had tea and coffee.
we were
मैंने तो
actually
सिर्फ
fighting for
चाय.
our tea, coffee. करिश्मा उधर से
रजीत
घुसती
जी और हम सबको चेक करना पड़ेगा क्या मिलाया उन्होंने.
कुछ तो मिला के पिलाते ही होंगे फिर, ये तो पक्की बात है, कुछ तो था.
Little bit.
But it was like superb amazing, superbly amazing.
High on a
And
dose.
it happens, you know, the lady who was sitting next to us, and she actually lost, and like you were seeing all positive, even we were like very high, she actually lost her this sense that everything is positive, don't do like this. वो अपने घर में उसने सबको रोक दिया. Ultimately she was taken to some psychiatrist for the treatment.
मतलब she was finding that voice का issue.
यार वो बंदी, she was very simple in her appearance, but when she started talking, she got so many awards from Prime Minister, President, and all that stuff. And then later on, something happened to her. And when she went to her house, there she started talking altogether different. So for the first day, second day, people in her house, and they thought कि okay अभी होकर आई है तो शायद mindset. But it was continuously going on and on with her. Her energies were not getting actually centralized.
Yeah.
चलो आगे
Very important.
पढ़ाई करें.
Hmm.
Poverty is a
Experience of MMI
mental
हो गया.
Yeah.
वापस उसी जोन में ना चले जाए.
Wonderful.
नहीं
Poverty
जाना
is
पड़ेगा
a
उसको सीखने
mental
बोले हैं.
disease.
क्या बोला आपने?
Poverty is a mental
Mental
disease.
disease.
True, it is a mental disease.
जैसे फिजिकल इलनेस है ना, आपको पता चलता है कि there is something wrong with you.
Wrong.
Likewise, or you would seek help and do about the condition at once. Likewise, if you do not have money constantly circulating in your life,
Like,
there is something radically wrong with you. So
wrong.
it is said कि आपको पैसे को होard तो वैसे ही नहीं करना चाहिए. So, money is always good while it is in the circulation. ठीक है. And poverty, मतलब अगर आप होard कर रहे हो तो that is also a scarcity mindset, right? कि यार
Yes,
कम
lack
ना हो
mindset.
जाए, कहीं खर्च ना हो जाए, waste ना हो जाए, is all scarcity mindset.
Because you want to hold it.
Yes.
कि ये मेरे हाथ से निकल ना जाएगा, अगर निकल गया तो खर्च हो जाएगा, खर्च हो
And how
जाएगा
they
तो मेरे
say
पास
कि जब
नहीं
money
बचेगा.
जा रहा है तो say arigato money.
Hmm.
Bless the money when the
Bless
money
the
is going,
Yes.
so that
Thank
whenever
you,
that
thank
money
you.
comes back, tell the money to come back with all their friends. 500 का नोट दे रही हूँ, साथ में 500 के 5-6 और लेते आना भाई. आओगे मैं बहुत अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट दूंगी तुम्हारे को, फिर तुम्हारे को भेजूंगी, फिर तुम और 5-7-10 और ले आना अपने दोस्त यार. खुश रहो, मेरे पास आओगे बहुत खुश रहोगे.
Yeah. Like we have to say, right? Go with love and grow with love.
Yes. Wow.
So basically, the easy way is to treat money as a person. Like a guest arrives at your home, you did best for that. You do best for that guest, right?
Yeah.
उसको best place दोगे उठने के लिए, बैठने के लिए, सोने के लिए. The same is with money. Give the best treatment to money. So how can you do this? By personifying it. And even what I have learned with one of the mentors, the best way to treat money is to consider it as your child. Because for your child, you can do everything without even thinking twice. And it's like consider it as your first baby, and just see that how magically you are doing best for that child. अच्छे से अच्छा सोने को, अच्छे से अच्छा खाने को. So the kind of feeling, the kind of relationship you want to build with money. And when you have that kind of relationship, that of course then money would also love to stay with you.
Let's hear it from Rajiv. Thank you, Archana.
Yeah. So same, right? We are not here to live in hovel, dress in rags, or go hungry. We are here to be happy, prosperous, and successful. So we must seek help from someone or do something to come out of that zone. So that's it.
Wow. Let's hear it from Komal. Komal, chapter पढ़ा है? Did you get a reminder from me?
Yes, ma'am.
आप पढ़ाई नहीं करके आए हो कोमल, कल से
अब ये
देखना
इस टाइम पे पढ़ रही है. I got her.
She is mama of 3. You will be definitely caught easily. जो बच्चे कॉमिक्स रख के पढ़ते हैं, तुम्हें पकड़ ही लेगी वो.
चलो कोमल पढ़ो, जल्दी से पढ़ो ये वाला स्टैंजा. तब तक let's hear मुस्कान.
Okay.
We are on page number 122.
Today I just want to share today's experience. Today I find so many coins. From where did I find? From my bag, hospital bag. मैं उसको खाली कर रही थी. And I was, पहले मैं ऐसे होती थी, ठीक है coins हैं, I used to put like this. But अब मैंने ना because the moment I started learning about valuing money from my mentors, I was in the front of it, I was like, wow.
कितने सारे
Likewise.
ची
अशरफियां मिली थी तुम्हें, अशरफियां? Look at them as अशरफियां.
Yeah, Sarfiya.
Sharfiya,
You know,
Yes.
सोने की चांदी की
सोने के
अशरफियां,
चांदी के
चांदी की.
Sarfiya.
Sharfiya is Murti.
No,
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 no.
they are
That's
silver
coins.
coins or gold
Coins.
coins.
Silver
Gold
coins and
coins.
gold coins. Yes, I got
Yeah.
Sharfiya today. Not कम, बहुत सारी मिली and 10 के coins, 20 rupees का coin. And what I did, मेरे पास मिट्टी की गुल्लक है and I just put it.
बड़ा मजा
Great,
आया होगा ना, एक एक
Yeah.
निकालने में।
wonderful.
ऐसे वैसे भी ऐसे लगते हैं, वाओ यार बहुत सारी है, खत्म नहीं हो रही है। वाओ
And early today morning itself, when I was doing exercise for MMI, and I was like thinking about the same कि यार हमारे पास गुल्लक हुआ करती थी, and I was missing my गुल्लक. मिट्टी की गुल्लक में
He
हम
reminded you to
कुछ ना
get
कुछ
one.
डालते रहते
I
थे.
brought one more
Get
गुल्लक
one.
from Mount Abu. I went to Mount Abu and वहाँ पे ना मम्मा was doing shopping. I was like मुझे तो गुल्लक ही चाहिए and I bought this.
Ah, this is nice.
Oh, the
So
bank.
for keeping money, wood box, ceramic or anything, earthen pot, they are the best for keeping the coins.
कैसे देखो हाँ.
बहुत सुंदर
हाँ,
है,
Wow.
बैंक है ये।
Wow.
nice.
Bank.
Wow.
अच्छा ना,
ऐसे
मैं तो सोच रही थी मेरे बच्चों का ना पिगी बैंक था, बहुत सुंदर था, ऐसे मिनियन की शेप का था, येलो कलर का है, और उसके अंदर ना सेल डालते थे तो वो ना मनी को सक कर लेता है अपने अंदर,
Wow.
और उसके
ऐसे
अंदर
कुछ ले लेते हैं हम
कॉइन्स
भी.
भी डल सकते हैं, तो मैं उसके अंदर रख सकती हूँ, प्लास्टिक में कोई
रखो.
दिक्कत नहीं है।
Actually, as per if we go by spirituality, so it says it's best is even to have that wooden box
Okay.
or ceramic or earthen pot. So these are the best. Or फिर then लोहे में like your तिजोरी, you can keep in तिजोरी. So
अरे
they are the earthen elements. Earth
मेरा प्लास्टिक
elements.
कहीं नहीं आ रहा है, मेरा प्लास्टिक जो ऐसे करके एनर्जी मैग्नेट की जैसे सक कर लेता है, वो कहीं नहीं आ रहा है।
हर रूम में रख दो
नहीं,
ना, एक रूम में ये, एक
उसमें
रूम में वो।
एक्चुअली क्या बोलते हैं कि क्योंकि मनी वाइब्रेशन आर रिलेटेड टू रूट चक्रा एंड रूट चक्रा इंक्रीजेस विद अर्थ एलिमेंट्स, राइट? So it's better to have something which is like earth element. So your तिजोरी, your wooden box, your
फिर मैं
ceramic
भी
pot,
मुस्कान जैसा लेके आऊंगी अपने लिए।
हाँ ऐसा लेके आइयो.
वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड बैंक होता है ना, वो जो हमने पढ़ा था लास्ट चैप्टर में,
And this is
कि our
nice also.
subconscious
I
mind
mean,
is like
bank,
bank.
हाँ,
So
subconscious
whatever
mind
we
पे मेरे बैंक में पैसे जा रहे
yes,
हैं.
yes. So whatever we deposit,
ठीक है.
it grows and we get dividends.
तो तेरे को 2 मिले तो 2 ले आइयो, मेरे लिए भी ले आइयो.
ठीक है, मेरे को मिल जाएंगे।
Yes.
It's good to
ठीक है.
have at home. मम्मा ने लिया अर्दन वाला,
हम्म,
like ऐसा सोच के लिया कि we should have it at home.
उसके अंदर रोज कॉइन्स या पैसे डालते हो?
Coins डालो।
Yes.
आप ना ये
नहीं डाल
देखो, the things that we used to practice once,
Yeah.
they are coming back to
Back.
us.
Yes.
We were,
They-
we were again doing the similar things. So we were not respecting at that time
Hmm.
the same things. We were after all these Chinese वाला, वो वैसे मेरी बेटी के पास भी था, वो किट्टी वाला, किट्टी का था उसका.
Hmm.
मैंने
जैसे
अपने
तुम बता
ब्रदर
रही हो.
की बेटी जो है उसको किटी वाला दिया था, बट व्हेन आई गॉट फॉर माय किड्स तो वो मिनियन का लेके आई थी, क्योंकि उसका फेवरेट उस टाइम पे मिनियन था।
हाँ. So तो मनी एनर्जीज ऐसे अफेक्ट होती हैं. वी आर कमिंग बैक टू आवर रूट्स.
आगे वो बोल रहा है व्हाई यू मस्ट नेवर क्रिटिसाइज मनी। तो बहुत अच्छी बात जो इसने बोली है, डू नॉट एवर रिगार्ड मनी एज इविल और फिल्दी, इफ यू डू यू कॉज इट टू टेक विंग्स एंड फ्लाई अवे फ्रॉम यू।
Away from you.
बस, इसके अलावा कोई बात ही नहीं है।
बात ही नहीं है उसमें।
कौन क्रिटिसाइज करता है यहाँ पे मनी को? अरे बता दो सच्ची सच्ची, जब फेसबुक पे किसी की फोटोज देखते हो, जब किसी की
Criticize
सक्सेस
you.
स्टोरी आती है व्हाट्सएप
Please do
ग्रुप के ऊपर, कितने सारे इनको तो टेस्टिमोनियल्स मिलते हैं यार।
जेलसी.
Criticize नहीं,
All
but
of it
हाँ,
is
आ सकते हैं।
criticism.
Yeah.
ये बुक कौन सी पढ़ रहे हो करिश्मा?
The power of your subconscious mind.
अच्छा, पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मेरी फेवरेट बुक पढ़ रही है. मैं ही नहीं वो कर पाई. तुम कह रही थी ना मैं ये शुरू करूंगी, आ जाना.
And we are on chapter 10 now.
Chapter
Just
10 now.
imagine. Getting the right attitude
हाँ,
towards
फिर
money.
से-
गेटिंग द राइट एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स मनी में इसने इतनी सुंदर एफर्मेशन दी है.
affirmations दिए.
लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम राजीव. राजीव पढ़ के सुनाओ.
Yes.
ये सब
So,
पढ़ेंगे, ये हम सब
yeah,
पढ़ेंगे विद ऑल द फीलिंग.
yeah. So use the following powerful statements. I like money.
I love it.
Wow, I like money.
I love it.
I love it.
I use it wisely,
I
I
use it
use it
wisely,
wisely,
constructively,
Constructively
constructively,
and judiciously.
and
and
judiciously.
and
judiciously.
judiciously.
Money is constantly circulating in my life.
Money is constantly
Constantly
circulating
circulating
in
in my
my life.
life.
Very
I,
nice.
I release it with joy and it returns to me multiplied in a wonderful way.
I release
I
it
release it with
Release it
joy.
with
Joy
to me
Returns to me
returns to me
multiplied in a
multiplied
wonderful way.
in a wonderful way. It is good and very, very good.
It
It
is
is
good.
good
and
and
very good.
very, very good.
Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance.
Money
Wow,
flows
money
to me
flows
with
to me in
avalanches of
avalanches of
abundance.
abundance. Oh, wow, wow.
Coins, golden coins.
Oh, yes,
I use it for good only,
I
I
use
I
it for
use it
good.
for good
good
only.
only.
and I am grateful for my good
And I'm
I'm
grateful
grateful
for
for my
my
good.
good
and for the riches of my mind.
and
For
and
the
for the
riches
riches
of
riches
my
of
mind.
my mind.
Yes.
तू
Wow,
तथास्तु सबके जीवन में बहुत सारा
Yes.
सारा
wonderful,
पैदा हो.
wonderful. ये
And
पूरी बुक
सब.
में मनी के लिए ही कर रहा है या दिस इज अ स्पेसिफिक चैप्टर?
This is a
So
specific
this is a
chapter.
specific chapter.
ओके,
Right?
money, relationship,
सुन
all
लो
the
मेरी बात, सुन लो, ब्लेसिंग्स ले लो.
ले लो.
हाँ बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स दे दो भैया, पैसा तो चाहिए ही चाहिए.
सबकी
Yes.
लाइफ में बहुत सारा अबंडेंस में मनी
बहुत
हो,
सारा abundance
बिल्कुल,
आता है.
लॉट्स ऑफ
with
ब्लेसिंग.
with lots of good health, peace
Good
of
health.
mind, harmony, balance, love, joy, and abundance.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
और
God
this
Receive
bless you.
with
और
God bless you. Zoot zoot.
gratitude.
और ए
Receive
बुक
with
को सिर्फ हम लोग वीकेंड में ही सिर्फ पढ़ रहे हैं. So you don't have any excuses that you cannot join.
What?
So
I didn't get.
no,
Sorry,
I'm
I
saying
didn't
that
get.
this book
Rajiv
we
ji
are
saying
reading
no
only on
excuses
weekends.
not to come and
Only Saturday and Sunday only we are reading this
But
book.
ये जब से बोला है ना तब से कुछ ना कुछ हो ही रहा है.
Now nothing will happen.
Resistance
will
is,
come.
because
Yeah.
you will not
सब
get.
अच्छा ही हो रहा है.
हाँ, हो सब कुछ अच्छा ही रहा है.
MMI हो रहा है. MMI की वाइब्रेशंस हो रही
अब
हैं.
आप सोचो करिश्मा, I received call from Rajat from Prayagraj. I
अरे हाँ,
had a
ये आई
darshan.
हुई थी मिस्ड कॉल, मेरे को भी
हाँ,
आई
तो
हुई है.
मैंने उठा ली थी और मुझे प्रयागराज के दर्शन हो गए.
मेरे को हुए हुए, मैं करके आई हूँ, जहाँ पे दो नदियां मिलती है ना, अलग अलग कलर की.
वो तो मैं बचपन में मैं भी गई
But
थी.
did
अभी
ये
you
मैं
तो
go
थोड़े दिन
now?
ओरिजिनल
पहले ही होके आई थी.
अभी
अभी
जाना है
कुंभ में?
महाकुंभ में. हाँ, अभी महाकुंभ में जाना है.
महाकुंभ की बात हो रही है बेटा.
नहीं, करिश्मा महाकुंभ के टाइम गई क्या?
नहीं.
पहले, थोड़ी देर
Since
पहले.
नहीं नहीं.
144 years के बाद आया है.
हाँ,
जाओ अभी.
मैं तो गई नहीं हो सकती ना, मैं
ये
तो पैदा ही नहीं हुई
नक्षत्र
थी. मेरे
144
सिर्फ
इयर्स के बाद आया.
102 साल पहले हुआ था,
अरे
130 साल
अभी
पहले.
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले तो जाके आ सकती हो ना.
हाँ, वो मैं होके आई. लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर वी वेंट.
अच्छा, ओके.
अभी भी इट्स अ पॉसिबिलिटी. पीपल आर ट्राइंग. मतलब या मनु
नहीं
मनु
जा रहे हैं
रजनी मनु
पीपल
है ना.
एंड दे आर सेइंग कि इंतजाम वगैरह भी अच्छा है. भीड़ तो है बट वैसे अच्छा है.
आर्ट
You
ऑफ
can go
लिविंग का पूरा
easily there.
कैंप लगा हुआ है. एंड मतलब डिवोटीज विल गो एंड टेक ब्लेसिंग.
To know how the scientific thinkers look at money, do you know?
बताओ बताओ, तुम बताओ.
ये राजीव बहुत मन कर रहा है उसको बोलने का.
बोलो बोलो, राजीव जी बोलेंगे फिर.
हाँ, ओके. तो जैसे कि आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, ओके, एंड यू फाउंड गोल्ड, लेड, कॉपर और आयरन इन द ग्राउंड, व्हाट विल डू? Would you pronounce that these things are evils? No, right?
मैं तो सब उठा लूंगी.
वही. तो वही कर. So all evils comes from man's darkened understanding, from his ignorance, from his false interpretation of life, and from his misuse of his subconscious mind. So ये सब जो भी है, ये सब कि मनी एविल है, ज्यादा पैसा नहीं अपना करना चाहिए, कमाना चाहिए, इससे अपना जो भी अपना जो ज्यादा पैसा कमा रहा है वो 2 नंबर की कमाई है। तो तो ये सब अपना वो सब अपने इग्नोरेंस के कारण या अपना उनकी जो डार्केस्ट अपना जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसके कारण अपना उन लोग इस तरह से मनी के बारे में बोलते हैं। तो वी शुड नॉट टॉक लाइक दिस। And yeah, also one thing is there that yeah, I cannot imagine any intelligent person seeing anything evil in electrons, neutrons, protons, or isotopes.
तो
Wonderful.
साइंटिफिक थिंकिंग ये
Scientists,
है
yeah,
कि जो कुछ भी बना है वो
बना
किसी न किसी एटम, न्यूरॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, आइसोटॉप से
Yes, yes.
मिलके बना है।
इससे बना है।
गोल्ड एट एनी गिवन टाइम कैन ऑल्सो एट सर्टेन कंडीशन बिकम मरकरी।
Mercury,
तो
Yes.
इसलिए यू हैव टू वैल्यू एवरीथिंग।
everything.
So of course, everything in this universe is energy. So money is energy basically.
Correct.
So, and again, you can't create it, you can't destroy it, you can
Destroy it.
transform it, right? So, of course, and this is a basic science we all have read in our class 7th, 8th, that we are made up of atoms. Atoms में क्या है? Electron, protons, neutrons, isotopes, and then the nucleus, then the DNA, and again in DNA you can find so many things. Living है, non-living है, तो atoms, molecules, ये सब क्या है? And after that there is what? Only energy left.
Yes.
So we all are made up of that element only, of which universe is made up of.
Let's hear it from Muskan as well. बहुत देर से चुपचाप बैठी है।
No, I was enjoying the conversation.
नहीं, साइंटिफिक पर्सन के बारे में बात हुई ना, इसलिए मैं आई हूँ आपके पास।
According to science, science also believes in energy. There is a war between science and silence. Because how war, silence, the people who kind of the one who are spiritual, they say that science लोग घमंडी लोग हैं. They feel कि वो अपने आप चले जाएंगे, astrologers, to Mars and to all the planets and stuff. And the science people, they think that जो spiritual लोग हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा what we say over believe करते हैं, अंधविश्वासी हैं. So there's always a fight between science and silence. And once we use both elements in balance, it works like miracle. It's worked like magic in our life.
True, 100%.
Wonderful, beautiful way of fitting it together.
He's just telling, I've read this paragraph, he's just telling that it is made of, which is Archana ji was also saying that electron, protons, all those things and atoms. Paper is also made of atoms. So it is just the same thing. So why we have to say it as evil? He's just making it this way. It is just a matter. It's just a matter. So nothing, why to associate it with anything negative, basically.
And then it is saying that is the only way the paper differs from silver in your pocket. वो कुछ मॉलिक्यूलर जो भी फ्रीक्वेंसीज होती है, जो भी वो उनका ए बी सी होता है, उसका
नंबर
डिफरेंस
और
है।
रेट ऑफ मोशन का ही तो डिफरेंस है कि नंबर क्वांटिटी का डिफरेंस हो गया, क्योंकि
इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन,
नंबर
Molecular combination, bonds का difference है और क्या है? So you can see the example of ice. When it is like at 0 degrees, it's a solid state. When you take it out, it becomes liquid.
Yes.
When you boil it, it turns to be vapor.
Yes.
So ultimately, है तो सब watery. So it's like that.
How to attract the money you need? राजीव जी जल्दी बताओ कैसे करना है attract ये money.
Okay, so here's talked about a boy in Australia who was very poor. Okay, and he wanted to become a doctor, but he was very poor. He was not having that much money or any means. So what he used to do, right? He used to work as a helper in a hospital there. And while working in the hospital, right, he used to see the certificates of medical certificate. He used to see there. So he used to clean those medical certificates very बहुत अपना शिद्दत से अपना उसको क्लीन करता था कि one day I will also get this kind of certificate and I will be a doctor. So while working, right? So one day, what is that? One fellow doctor, as you talked to him, and he asked him that, "Do you want to be my helper?" So he said yes. And then after seeing his all this effort, right? That how he works and how he takes care of things, everything. So he started. The doctor started helping him more, and he started helping him in his study and all. And then one day he became a doctor himself. So like that he manifested
उसके लिए बेसिक ये
attracted
चाहिए कि आपको अपने जो एंड गोल है,
गल है
एंड
उस पे
रिजल्ट
बिलीफ
है, you have to visualize it,
या
you have to feel it,
feel it
So
right?
it's a kind of vision board
vision board
for
yeah
him.
yes
So he was like constantly looking at him
looking at it
and all these things, and it's like a that photo, because our brain perceives things like a photographic memory.
Yes.
So
yeah
he captured that photographic memory, and it was all set in his mind, and he manifested that.
manifested
Yes.
that
First कर्मा तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा.
yes
Yes.
But then imagine, feel, and see it
and
in.
Yes, of course.
yeah and
That
had
is very important. That is
and
very important.
and he took
What
right
you
action
want
also
to,
so
yes, what you want to attract, you have to write, you have to feel, you have to believe, you have to visualize.
take
And
right
there are so
action
many ways and techniques through which you can do. And
We have also, heard Vikas talking about conviction in the
yeah
morning
yes,
sessions.
correct yes
जब वो चीज conviction बन जाएगी,
बन जाएगी
it is meant to happen.
happen
and you must have realized in your lives also. For example, you want to do certain thing, you want to have something in your life. और जब आपको उस चीज का मौका मिलेगा ना, you will left no stone unturned to do that. And I have seen that happening with me many times. और मैंने ये चीज नोटिस की है कि जब मुझे अंदर से वो कन्विक्शन आ जाएगी ना, उसके लिए मैं कुछ भी कर जाऊंगी.
Wow.
And so many things I have manifested that ways in my life. जबकि मुझे इतना मैं उस टाइम पर कोई लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नहीं करती थी या कुछ ऐसे. आज तो मुझे फिर भी बहुत ज्ञान है, बट उस टाइम इतना नहीं था. बट स्टिल आई हैव सीन दैट हैपनिंग इन माय लाइफ, कि how I have manifested so many things which I desired once, and now they are a truth of my life. Because that moment, that right time, that right kind of conviction came, and there, even age, my body weight, anything doesn't matter, because it has to happen. It happened with me. I wanted to participate in Miss India contest once when I was 18 or 19-year-old girl, but that time I didn't have that conviction within me. But when I turned 42, I again got the chance to enter into this contest, and it was Mrs. India. And I, of course, not went to that level, but I received Mrs. India Haryana award. So that time I was fat.
Wow.
Of course, but my conviction was very strong. कि मुझको ये करना है, and for that I turned no stone left, like that, कि मुझे हर हाल में इसको करना है. और उस टाइम मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मुझको वो मिल जाएगा.
Like we are
so many
like we
things.
are attending this session, right? So this session also we are attending because of our convictions.
Yes.
कहीं ना
Else-
कहीं किसी न किसी को कुछ दिल में चाहिए,
yes
वजह से you are attending.
नहीं
Yeah,
होता है.
attending.
Another thing is, I really wanted to work very close with ये Faridabad ka municipal corporation, because there is a lot of garbage around here in Faridabad. And I always used to tell my husband, oh, you are so active, with all the politicians, why you not let me connect to someone so that I could work around this problem of the city. I actually didn't like so much of garbages lying here and there. And again, I think 4 years back, before COVID, I attracted this. And I got the chance to work with Municipal Corporation of Faridabad, and worked with the Commissioner of Police, and I also got the award in taking this thing. So
yeah.
again, that time I
Wow.
had very strong conviction to
Powerful.
work for my city, to clean it, so that this project could work out. However, it didn't, because of मतलब उतने level पे नहीं हो पाया. But that time when I started, when there were so many people involved in it, but
Hmm.
I still remember the kind of conviction I had that day in my those days. Those were like, I was not looking at my house. I was not looking at anything, and my conviction was so strong that I had to go all out for
चल के
making.
पता चला अर्चना पूरे मोहल्ले को साफ कर रही है, अपना घर गंदा हो गया।
Literally, Karishma, I picked up garbage from my hands.
वाह,
That time, I picked up garbage. I was being awarded by mayor of this thing. Z News awarded me. But the thing is, I'm telling about conviction and how you manifest things which you maybe said once in your lifetime, but that time you didn't have that kind of conviction,
अब तो
and that is
होप जगा रहे,
happened.
जो मैंने 100 ड्रीम्स लिख दिए उठा के अपनी कॉपी पे,
वाह,
है ना। यू
Wow.
नेवर नो कि कहाँ से जोश आ जाता है और कहाँ से आप वर्क करने लग
Hmm.
जाते हो किसी भी चीज के लिए।
एब्सोल्युटली
मतलब
You never know.
एक वर्कशॉप था, उसमें वी हैड टू राइट 100 ड्रीम्स टुगेदर, लाइक किसी मेंटर का। सो आई रिटन वट एवर आई कुड।
चलो आज
Wonderful.
ये करेंगे, ठीक है ना? आज
Hmm.
आज बैठ के सब अपने 100 ड्रीम्स लिखना।
गोल गोपाल
लिखना।
दास, बीके शिवानी, so many teachers I wrote,
Everyone.
beating
Yeah.
them in this, that, everything, whichever I could
You
win.
never
Like,
know what comes true
yeah.
because
Now
of
you never know.
यूनिवर्स को पढ़ने
You
दो
never
ना,
हाँ,
know.
तो
सुंदर सुंदर
अर्चना ने
लिखना
कौन सा
होता
हर
है।
Yeah.
टाइम सोचा था मैं गार्बेज के लिए इतना इनिशिएट कर रही हूँ,
कभी
राइट?
भी नहीं, नेवर। मतलब
Hmm.
मेरा तो वो यंग एज का जैसे किसी लड़की का ड्रीम होता है, ऐसे ही ड्रीम
हाँ.
था।
हाँ।
और मेरे बिल्कुल घर के बगल में शॉप्स थी जहां पर वो कॉन्टेस्ट के फॉर्म्स मिल रहे थे, बट आई डिडंट हैव दैट करेज टू गो एंड परचेज दैट फॉर्म एंड फिल इट, इवन सबमिट इट। सोचो, वो एक्शन ही नहीं लिया, बस दिमाग में एक वो था, ख्याल ख्याल, हाँ करना है करना है।
मिस इंडिया वाला
बट
ना।
हाँ, बट दिस टाइम सामने से अपॉर्चुनिटी आई। The manager who was, taking care of all these contests, she approached me. Somebody told about me and she approached me and she said, I have seen your work. ये वो पता नहीं उसने कब क्या observe किया था. I don't know. And she said, you have to participate. I don't know, no matter what.
Wow.
Okay.
सेम फॉर ये गार्बेज इनिशिएट जो इनिशिएट किया आपने, सेम फॉर दैट,
मतलब
एनीथिंग।
so many examples are there. तब मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, this is what I have
एंड इट्स
created
लाइक
by my
सुप्रीम
own
पावर्स,
self.
मैं ये भी बिलीव कर रही हूँ कि सुप्रीम पावर्स खुद करवा रही होती हैं आपसे। यू आर जस्ट, मतलब ठीक है, आपके मन में जरूर आता
Even
है।
आता.
even learning Kathak at the age of 42, I started during COVID only. I had a strong intention of learning COVID since my childhood. But again, that time it was not the matter of conviction, it was the matter of availability. मैं कहाँ हूँ, किधर हूँ, मैं कहाँ जा सकती हूँ, कहाँ नहीं जा सकती, and limitations and everything. But when again such situation happened after so many years, because again that was my path journey which I had to cover. And when COVID struck, I was just sitting and I just told my husband I want to learn Kathak. So he said, okay, you search where you can. So online I searched and
A lot
the
of courage,
guru approached me.
कि इस
Yeah.
एज में जाके छोटे बच्चों के साथ जाके खड़े होके सीखना,
हाँ.
also takes a lot of courage.
Yes, my
Without
daughter
conviction,
used to laugh, मम्मा आपकी टीचर बोलती है बच्चे खड़े हो जाओ, आप भी खड़े हो जाते हो। तो मैंने कहा मैं भी तो बच्चा ही हूँ।
Yeah.
3 years I have done and now I have to appear for 4th year. The thing is that if you really want,
Hmm.
you will start feeling here and everything around. जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो शिद्दत से जब आप चाहते हो, एक एक कण आपके लिए लग जाता है। तो ये फैक्ट है।
But do you know why some men do not get a raise in pay?
Yes. Because because they always criticize their boss, their company. So the kind of energy if you put in, so then how you will get a raise in your pay. So we
Yes.
must bless our boss, bless our company to do well. Then only we will get the promotion or we will get the incremental.
True. Gratitude has lot of power.
That's it. Yeah.
तो हमारे लिए तो we can bless and be grateful to our mentors, to
Yeah.
all our communities,
Community.
to those who support us, to our family who supports us, right?
Clients,
True. For
clients,
each and everything.
Clients, yes.
because your salary is not there na anywhere. It's clients who are happy with you.
Yes.
Yes.
May they remain happy. We
Yeah.
need happy clients.
Happy clients.
Yes. Let's hear it from मुस्कान. मुस्कान ने बड़ी देर से थी, कुछ बोला ज्यादा.
Lost हो गई वो कहीं पर.
नहीं कहीं नहीं लॉस्ट हुई, अभी आ गई. तब तक मुस्कान जल्दी से बताएगी.
Earning money is super easy. One must have to
2
just
minutes.
add value in their being. The moment they add value in their being, they earn money.
It's simple.
It's that simple. That the moment we start creating, the moment we start adding value inside us, is the moment abundance is saying, okay, I'm coming.
Yes.
हम सब ने क्या करना है? Add value हमारे वेसल में. फिर वो अपने अपने के लोगों को भी हेल्प करेगी, और फिर लोग कहेंगे हाँ मुझको तुम्हारे पास आना है.
अपने बैंक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के बैंक में डिपॉजिट करना है.
Yes.
True.
Let's hear it from Komal.
Says one thing you should do is you should sit among the people who are reading this book and learn from there.
That's intelligent and clever too.
कल ही बताया था, 2 दिन पहले she told we should sit among such people. So I'm among you. See, conviction ना राजीव जी.
Yes.
सही बात है.
एकदम.
She hit the
Every
nail.
day
हाँ.
learning 10 p.m. 4 p.m. 1 p.m. आज मेरा फास्ट है.
मैं आती हूँ.
आज मेरा फास्ट है. मैं नेबर्स के घर खाना खा के फटाफट आ गई. See? Yeah, it was a Kachi fast, so parents have like mom has made something else, so auntie has kept and I have kept, so we were common.
हाँ. अच्छा है ना, you had a blast with her. Enjoying.
Lovely, and
इसके
she
आगे
would
वो बोल रहे
she
हैं
felt happy.
obstacles and impediments on the pathway of riches.
ऑब्स्टिकल तो वही हो गया ना कि the complain, what we do, what the kind of self talk we are doing. Yeah.
And so many times हम ये कहते हैं ना लोगों को कि इसने फ्रॉड करके पैसे कमाए होंगे,
कमाए हैं.
इसने कुछ ना कुछ गलत किया होगा, इसने ये किया होगा, he must be,
Yeah.
he's getting money dishonestly,
Honestly.
he's a faker, he's a
He's a
racketeer,
crook. Yeah.
है ना. तो इन सब के टाइम पे ये सब ऑब्स्टिकल्स बनते हैं whenever we go towards building money in our lives.
And it usually happen with some certain kind of people who have attracted money all of a sudden. And उनके पास अचानक से बहुत पैसा आ गया, तो लोग देख के बोलते हैं what they have done, that
कहीं पैसे गिरी हुई
तो
बोरी
ऐसा
मिली होगी.
कैसे आ गए इतने सारे पैसे.
हाँ कि कहीं ना कहीं इनको पैसों की बोरी
तो गड़बड़ है.
अरे इन लोगों ने ना वो डिमोनेटाइजेशन के टाइम पे पैसे कमा लिए होंगे.
हाँ.
So in many instances this is the cause of downfall. Thinking negatively of these classmates and condemning their wealth causes the wealth and prosperity he's praying for to vanish and flee away.
And also write that will you stay to your relative who always complains, who always criticize you? No, right?
No,
same way happen with the money. If we keep criticizing the money,
it's not going to stay with us.
Yeah, it's not going to stay with us.
कि वो ई बुक में ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि एक तरफ हम बोलते हैं कि wealth is flowing to me now, और दूसरी तरफ से in the next breath silently या audibly we say I resent the fellow's wealth. हमारे को नहीं पसंद आ रही होती है. That is the contradiction between the two things.
क्या
5 मिनट पहले आप एफर्मेशन कुछ कर रहे हो और उसी के बाद अपने ही एफर्मेशन को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट कर रहे हो. तो इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स आल्सो वी हैव रेड कि हम एफर्मेशन करके यहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं, एंड द मोमेंट वी आर कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग वी कम बैक टू दिस लेवल, दैट इज अ न्यूट्रल स्टेट. और फिर से किसी जगह पे जाके, और हमारी इंटेंशन, हम ज्यादातर क्या करते हैं, वी कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट मोर, तो वो माइनस में चला जाता है. We have to keep on affirming again and again and again to stay at the neutral level, and thereby उसके बाद जब हम न्यूट्रल लेवल पे, तभी भी हमारे को एफर्मेशंस कर करके अपने आप को ऊपर लेके आना है. बट एक सिंगल थॉट जो होता है हमारा of this criticism brings it back down.
Back down.
तो हमारे को सोचो कितना अपने आप को मेंटली वो करना है, स्मार्ट करना है कि हम हमेशा
Correct.
पॉजिटिव थॉट्स में रहें.
रहे वही ना, इस तरह का नहीं सोच रखना है कि भाई पैसे आए तो सिर्फ मेरे पास आए, पड़ोसी के यहाँ ना आए.
And affirmations work a lot. Like I was having this 5 p.m. जो session होता था ना, when I was telling you I had some session, then I was saying to myself, like mirror affirmations. I look royal, I'm this, whatever the teacher was saying, I was saying those. So even if it was like a parrot, but do you know the result? What happened was I went out and neighbors called me, Komal, you're looking like yeah, whatever, same words. Exactly the same word she that neighbor had to say. And जो girl करवा रही थी mentor, she also would like gym जाती थी and she would say fitness, whatever she would say in the mirror. Even if मतलब मेरे रेकी master sometimes says कि ऐसे parrot की तरह थोड़ी हो जाता है, I would say here, but I'm not denying any fact. I'm just wanting to say even if parrot की तरह भी बोलते हो ना, then also things happen, because when you are trusting, because I was using my hands, gestures, everything, full energy when I was talking, saying in mirror. It was not, I was not saying, I was with full energy, right?
You're
So,
feeling it. When
I
you're
was feeling
you're
it.
feeling
I
it.
was giving that energy, and yeah, things work. Same day, because otherwise I'm almost whenever neighbors would come, I'm sitting like a plain Jane. But that day, Lodi celebration, obviously I would go ethnic wear, and I was wearing nice things, and then they were happy to see that way. They were showing their happiness that we want to see you like this also. It was good vibes. Yeah.
Beautiful. Muskan, do
Yeah.
you have anything to share?
That gave the proof that affirmations, like same wealth you are giving, you are raising your energy. So don't in the next moment say, oh, he has got a new car, or this, or that. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. Wonderful.
Yeah, she's telling very beautifully that affirmations, but she added one more thing, that repeated like a parrot, but believe in it. So the secret is belief. Without
Belief.
belief, because belief has so much power, so much power. The formula of manifestation is BTFA. It starts from belief, then thought, then feelings, and then actions. So belief is the main power. Main power. I agree to her.
तो अपनी आंखों में आंखें डालकर अब बात
आंखों में
करो,
आंखें डालकर
बात कर रहे हो, वो
Correct.
कैसे नहीं होगा?
नहीं.
You are saying to yourself in that way. So you start believing. पहले मुझे भी लग रहा था चल झूठी, the way we all say. 2-3 दिन, but it was 30 days program. एक दिन stop नहीं हुआ ना. Same thing. Repeat next day, repeat next day, repeat next day. पहले तो लगा what I am saying. ये है तो नहीं. तो because it was like 15 minutes, 30 minutes affirmations to mirror to myself. तो
It
next day.
is so filmy, and with this, I remember Shah Rukh Khan ka dialogue.
Yeah.
Shiddat wala.
Wonderful.
And he shares so many beautiful things. No, yeah, Shah Rukh Khan, I was like listening one of his reels. He said ki every day, when I entered Bollywood, he also started his journey late, right? In Bollywood. So everybody used to criticize him that he's not a good-looking man. His acting is also not up to the mark and all that stuff. So for his looks, he used to get judged very much in Bollywood. So he said that from that day, every day till today, in the morning, I just stand in front of mirror and I always say that I am the best, I am the best, I am the best, I am the best. And that's why that song also been dedicated to
वो
him.
सॉन्ग पे हम डांस भी करते थे उसी सेशन में. And then it's like शाहरुख खान वाला कि ये मुंबई तो मेरा है.
I'm the best, I'm the best,
हाँ,
I'm the best.
बेस्ट
Yes,
नहीं,
you are the
मुंबई
best.
में, और आई एम अ किंग ऑफ दिस मुंबई, कुछ ऐसा भी उसने बोला होगा.
I'm the king, I'm the king, I'm the king, and all that
I'm
stuff.
the king of Bollywood.
He lives by it. Actually, he lives by it. So even it is said that the house he made, Mannat, is again one of his manifestation come true. So he dreamt of, he wrote, he manifested, he visualized, and he made such kind of home. So this is how.
Then they say protect your investments. Protect your investments में उन्होंने बहुत सुंदर सी affirmation.
बहुत सुंदर affirmation है. Very.
एंड देन अब हम सारे एक साथ पढ़ेंगे उसको.
Yes.
राजीव जी विल
बोलो
से
बोलो, बस बुक में ये सब बोलो अभी मैं
Hmm.
सुन
राजीव विल से एंड वी विल फॉलो हिम.
या
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
Infinite.
infinite intelligence.
Infinite
Yes.
intelligence
Intelligence governs and watches
governs
infinite
and watches
intelligence governs and watches
Infinite
over
intelligence
all my financial transactions.
over
over
all
all
my
my
financial
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 transactions.
transactions
And whatsoever I do
and whatsoever
Whatsoever
I
I do
do
whatsoever
shall
I
prosper.
shall
shall
prosper.
shall prosper.
Yeah.
स्टॉक
So
मार्केट ऊपर जाती है या नीचे
जाते
जाती है,
नीचे
मैंने
जाती
तो
है,
इन्वेस्ट किया वो तो ऊपर ही जाएगा.
ऊपर ही जाएगा.
That belief should be there.
Yeah. So
ठीक है.
dear
Do this
infinite
frequently and you will find that your investments will be wise.
intelligence.
Moreover, you will be protected from loss,
Loss.
as you will be prompted to sell your securities or holdings before any loss occurs to you.
Occurs to you.
You cannot get something for nothing. बहुत प्यारी बात होती है, बचपन से मैं सुनती आ रही हूँ. My dad used to say there is nothing called free.
Yeah.
There is nothing that comes to you for free.
Free.
There is always some cost that you are paying for it.
Yes, nothing is for free in this world.
So, इसके अंदर जो चीज मैंने हाईलाइट करी है, that is, you are attracting, they are attracting to themselves all manners of loss, such as loss of character, prestige, social status, peace of mind. Who? एक मिनट वापस ऊपर से पढ़ लेते हैं. In large stores of management, employ stores detectives to prevent people from stealing. They catch a number of people every day trying to get something for nothing. जो हम स्टोर्स में लोग छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स वगैरह भी चोरी कर लेते हैं ना, हम देखते हैं ज़ारा वगैरह पे एक आध गायब होता है, या H&M पे जाओ खाली पड़ा होता है वो.
बचपन में कितना लोग शॉप लिफ्टिंग का कितना सुनते थे.
All such people are living in a mental atmosphere of lack and limitation and are stealing from themselves peace, harmony, faith, honesty, integrity, goodwill, and confidence. A lot goes.
these people lack faith in the source of supply. Second line है ना, and the understanding of how their mind works. They don't know how their mind works and they are in lack. So मतलब he's saying such, you know, if they would mentally call on the powers of their subconscious mind and claim that they are guided to their true expression, they would find work and constant supply.
ठीक है जी.
And yeah, and in this, right, I have saw one reel, right, in this for this.
ये सारा
Like
मेरे लिए
yeah,
है. I'm
like
still
देने वाला है जो
fighting.
देवता होता है. Okay, देने वाला देवता होता है. Like we never listen this, right? लेवा ओ लेवा गणपति लेवा. There is that देवा ओ देवा गणपति देवा. So देने वाला देवता होता है. Like we goes to doctor. So doctor, what the gift? So doctor also giving us the prescription, right? Suggestion that you should do whatever do. When we go to lawyer, what they do? They also give something. What the teacher and coaches do? They also give something. So देने वाला देवता होता है. So always be a giver.
सत नमन हर
So like we had
इस कमरे में.
So we had this song, right? Like this. तुम एक पैसा दोगे वो 10 लाख देगा. So why it is written like that? तुम एक पैसा दोगे and वो 10 लाख देगा. He can give anything for that one paisa, but you have to give. So that's why this gratitude and this whole picture
एक
came.
पैसे की बात है ना, the story behind it is कि वो इंटेंट होना चाहिए. आपके
Correct.
पास कुछ नहीं है ना, तब भी
Hmm.
आप एक पैसा देने को रेडी हो.
Yes.
There is some story that I heard few days back wherein this lady goes to this temple और उसके पास लोग बहुत ज्यादा वहां पे दानवान करते थे उन गुरुजी को. And this lady had only one orange in her hand. And she, hid it in her shawl कि भाई मैंने एक ही ऑरेंज है, मैं कैसे दे सकती हूँ ये. लोग तो मेरे पे हंसेंगे एंड गुरुजी क्या बोलेंगे. What that Guruji said was he was sitting, he stood up from there and he went to some sacred place and he told his fellow men कि मेरे को ना ऑरेंज खाने का मन है, वहां पे एक लेडी खड़ी है, उसके पास एक ऑरेंज है, आई वॉन्ट टू ईट दैट, एंड उससे ले ली। एंड शी वॉज सो हैप्पी, शी वॉज सो थ्रिल्ड कि भैया मेरा एक का भी कितना महत्व है।
Yeah.
एंड व्हेन शी
Exactly.
home, she gets abundance of wealth to give more.
Hmm.
But the point is कि आपके दिल में एक एक पिंच जो होता है ना, एक जो वो होता है कि एक
Intention.
मेरा हाँ to
Yes.
give.
And it is not about money, right? We can
It
give
is about the
a
feeling.
smile also. We can give anything.
Yes.
It is not about money, that only with money only we can help.
Yes.
So they're saying that if you smile, give a smile or also something. If you cross the road, किसी को road भी cross करवा देते हो, so that also you give him.
Yes.
So when the God thinks, right, so इसको जो परेशानी है, इसको क्या देना चाहिए? So he recalls it. Like, okay, he did something. He said some thank you for this. So let's give him for that thank you.
आप
So
सेवा तन से, मन से, धन
मन से,
से, किसी भी
yes,
चीज से कर सकते हो।
कर
करो तो
सकते
सही,
हो,
भाव
करो
तो
तो
प्रकट
सही,
करो।
yeah,
लास्ट जो इसका स्टैंजा है, इट इज अबाउट योर कॉन्स्टेंट सप्लाई ऑफ मनी, जिसके अंदर अगेन
yeah,
ब्यूटीफुल एफर्मेशन हैज बीन गिवन।
affirmations है.
मुस्कान बुलवाएगी।
Hmm.
मुस्कान,
Me?
डू यू हैव द बुक?
No.
हु हैज द बुक?
I have the book.
चलो, कोमल विल से।
Hmm.
Yeah. Let this be your daily affirmation. Write it in your heart. I am one
I am one.
I am
with
one.
I am one with the infinite riches
I am
I am
one
I am
one
one
with the
with the
infinite
infinite riches
riches
of my subconscious mind.
of
of
my
of
my
my
subconscious
subconscious
mind.
mind.
It is my right
It is my right
to be rich,
to
to
be
be rich,
happy,
happy,
and successful.
and
and successful.
Money flows to me
Money
Money
flows to me
freely,
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 copiously,
copiously,
and endlessly.
and endlessly.
endlessly.
Wow.
I am forever
I am
am
forever
conscious of my true worth.
conscious of
Yes.
my true worth.
I give off my talents
I give up
Give
my
off my
talents
talents freely.
freely,
freely,
and I'm wonderfully blessed
And
and I'm wonderfully blessed financially.
financially.
It is
I'm wonderfully blessed financially.
Yeah,
I'm wonderfully blessed
it is
financially.
It is
very
wonderful.
wonderfully blessed.
It is wonderful.
It is wonderful.
I think every affirmations, whichever we read, can be read again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 times to go inside us.
Who will take the responsibility of writing the 3-4 affirmations that we have read today in the group?
कोमल जी, हाँ, राजीव जी लिख दें.
Rajiv will do.
We all
Yes.
can. Yeah.
कोमल भी
Notebook
लिखेगी,
or
राजीव भी लिखेगी. And
हाँ.
मुस्कान के पास क्योंकि बुक नहीं है, तो we can help her with the affirmations and I'll send them to you, Archana. ठीक है?
You are saying obviously of this chapter, I
Yes,
guess.
of this chapter.
Not of whole book.
Only of this chapter, so that we can start using these affirmations and we
मनी
become-
के लिए काम करना शुरू करेंगे ना.
Yeah.
मनी के लिए काम करना शुरू करेंगे ना. एफर्मेशन दोगी तो.
Yes.
Yes.
तो मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ, टीचर ने एक ही चैप्टर का होमवर्क दिया है ना, ज्यादा पूरी बुक का तो नहीं मिला.
मुझे टीचर मत बनाओ. मुझे
नेक्स्ट चैप्टर
ये
पढ़
सारा
के
पेंडिंग रह जाएगा.
I'm just a facilitator.
अभी टीचर आपको बोलेगी नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ के आना है, कोमल नोट्स बना के आना है, फिर बात करेंगे.
Tomorrow.
जल्दी
Yeah,
से
tomorrow
step
we
up
have.
this
मैं ऐसे ही कह रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता वो क्या कहेगी.
It will be there.
how to step up your way to riches. A quick summary I'm reading. If you find any point that you do not understand, ask me to stop. Okay?
Yes.
Number 1, be bold enough to claim that it is your right to be rich and your deeper mind will honor your claim.
Claim.
Point number 2 says you just don't want just enough to go around. You want all the money you need to do all the things you want to do and when you want to do them. Get acquainted with the riches of your subconscious mind. Point number 3 says when money is circulating freely in your life, you're economically healthy.
Healthy.
Look at money like the tide and you will always have plenty of it. The ebb and flow of the tide is constant. When the tide is out, you are absolutely sure it will return. Point number 4 says, knowing the laws of your subconscious mind, you will always be supplied regardless of what form money takes.
Takes.
Point number 5, one reason many people simply make ends meet and never have enough money is that they condemn money. What you condemn takes wings and flies away.
Fly away.
Point number 6, do not make God of money. It is only a symbol. Remember that the real riches are in your mind. You are here to lead a balanced life. This includes acquiring all the money you need. Point number 7, don't make money your sole aim. Claim wealth, happiness, peace, true expression, and love to personally radiate love and goodwill at all. Then your subconscious mind will give you compound interest in all these fields of expression. Point number 8, there is no virtue in poverty. It is a disease of the mind, and you should heal yourself of this mental conflict or malady at once. Point number 9, you are not here to live in a hovel, to dress in rags, or to go hungry. You are here to lead a life more abundant.
More abundant.
Point number 10, never use the terms filthy lucre or I despise money. You lose what you criticize. There is nothing good or bad, but thinking of it in either light makes it so. Point number 11, repeat frequently. I like money. I use it wisely, constructively, and judiciously. I release it with joy, and it returns in 1,000 folds. Oh, अर्चना abundant अर्चना सो गई है ये सुनते सुनते. अर्चना मिस हो गया. Fly away, fly away.
मैंने इस अल्फा स्टेट में जाके मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया.
Point number 12 says money is not evil any more than copper, lead, tin, or iron, which you may find in the ground. All evil is due to the ignorance and misuse of your mind's power. Point number 13, to picture the end result in your mind causes your subconscious to respond and fulfill your mental picture. Point number 14, stop trying to get something for nothing. There is no such thing as free lunch. You must give to receive. You must give mental attention to your goals, ideals, and enterprises, and your deeper mind will back you up.
Back you.
The key to wealth is application of the laws of the subconscious mind by impregnating it with the idea of wealth. All right, that is it for today. And we are at 5:30.
So, yeah, so I think the crux of this chapter, right, that what you condemn take wings and flies away, and you lose what you criticize. So we should be very careful with both the things.
Absolutely.
बुक ऐसे दिखाओ, सारे जने फोटो ले लेते हैं. ऐसे ही दिखाओ, ऐसे ही. हाँ, थैंक यू. अब हार्ट वाले दिखा लो.
Wow.
लगा
Great.
दो हार्ट.
ये लो.
Okay.
Good.
ठीक है. Tomorrow we will be reading your subconscious mind as a partner in success. Success चाहिए तो आ जाना subconscious को train करने के लिए and पढ़ के आना. ठीक है. Muskan, what is stopping you from reading the chapter?
Do you have the PDF?
I have the book. I have to search in the library.
No. Do you have the PDF? Go through the PDF.
PDF, हाँ, PDF.
ठीक है.
PDF भी है.
Who else? Komal, you have the book. You are reading it tonight before sleeping. Rajiv too is already reading. And Archana, are you joining us tomorrow?
Depends.
Depends.
और मेरा 90 डे चैलेंज में मैंने 2 दिन को रख दिया है ना, उसमें मेरा नोट्स बन जाता है.
Wonderful. In case you plan to join, if you want to read the book, let me know. I'll share the PDF with you as well.
I got reminded of my manifestations always. मतलब, not the material things I got, but I got the signals that some power is with me. ये हुआ था 2 years back. मतलब, I'll share quickly. वैसे मुझे ये भी लगता है कि should I share, should I not, माइंड में होता है, but
Here, celebrate every win.
yeah,
Celebrate
Share.
every win.
yeah, we should, I think. हाँ, पहले मुझे था कि ये कहीं मे बी मुझे होल्ड तो नहीं करना बताने से, आई वाज जस्ट डाउटफुल, बट ये आ रहा है अभी, सो इट विल बी. वन वाज, सी, आई वाज इनटू हॉरोस्कोप्स एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी. आई एम स्टिल इनटू इट, I'll admit. But the thing is, message क्या आया था, I'll tell that one. That was when I was into it, Komal, stop this. And you are the creator. This came up. And see, ये language है. I was saying to myself in thoughts. And what happened after that, I'll say. My dad, he just went to store. घर है जो मतलब इन हाउसेज में स्टोर्स होते हैं. सो ही विद द बेडरूम, आई वाज सिटिंग देयर. ही सेड, whose book is this? From the store, which must have kept 5 years old. The Secret was the book. So I'm
Wow.
thinking here and the book is here. कि ये बुक किसका है? नहीं तो कभी पहले तो नहीं बोल रहे, राइट? अब फिर भी कोई डाउट करे, फिर तो मैजिक पे डाउट कर रहे. अच्छा, सेकंड वन, थ्री आर देयर जो हुए थे. सेकंड सेकंड कम्स हियर इज, यूट्यूब से वीडियोस देखते हैं, स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, वीडियो आया, योर माइंड हैज द पावर. वो पूरी ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ द योगी की स्टोरी है,
Hmm.
जिसमें वो मोटा और पतला हो जाता है. डिसिपल इज टेलिंग टू द मास्टर, मास्टर इज टेलिंग, सॉरी, टू द डिसिपल, कि आपके हाथ में है, आप पतले हो जाते हो, तू ही कर रहा है, तू अपने आप को पतला भी और मोटा भी. वो कहता है ऐसे कैसे, कि हिंदी में बोलते हैं मैल न्यूट्रिशन, आई गेस, कुपोषित, मे बी. बिकॉज वीडियो में ऐसे था तो मुझे वहां से वर्ड याद है. सो दैट वाज द थिंग कि तू ही कर रहा है. That video I saw, and the next day what happened, I was again in the same room, and वहाँ पे book पड़ा हुआ है on the settee, and I was like, Komal, open 100 page, 100 page. I have not opened it. My mind is saying me to open that page, and the story was there. Same
Wow.
after the
Wow.
next day. Like yesterday, I've slept with the video,
क्या
and
बात.
the next day, these things were happening because I was in a lot of workshops. I'm just saying कि MMI and all that, कि क्या इफेक्ट होता है. लाइक ये हम क्या कर रहे थे, एक अरविंद सर हैं कार्तिका के साथ, उसका जो डिस्पेंजा की मेडिटेशन शायद मैं कर रही थी उनके सेशंस में मॉर्निंग. तो मे बी इट कैन बी वो, वी वर डूइंग फ्रॉम द रूट चक्रा टू, एक आपको ना ब्रीथ करके ऊपर लेके जाना है अपने ब्रीथ को, मैनिफेस्टेशन का करती थी मैं वो. मे बी कुछ अलाइन हुआ हो, या आई एम सेइंग कि एनर्जीज कैसे अलाइन. थर्ड वन, तो रिलेशनशिप, एवरीथिंग, जो भी इश्यूज चलते रहते हैं वो सेपरेट है. मैं मैनिफेस्टेशन उसका नहीं कह सकती कि वो कैसे कार्मिक थिंग्स, और बट आई वाज सेइंग ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. आई वाज इनटू लॉट ऑफ चैंटिंग एंड गोइंग समवेयर. तो मैंने कहा इससे कुछ होगा क्या, ऐसे ख्याल आ जाता है. अगेन कर रही हो, कितना टाइम से करती जाती हो, एंड द शिवा पिक्चर वाज ऑन द रोड. आई वाज सेइंग इससे कुछ होगा क्या, एट द सेम मोमेंट शिवा पिक्चर वाज ऑन द रोड.
Wow.
Hmm.
Beautiful.
These three
Hmm.
were there,
See how it is aligned.
how it was or is aligned. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बंगला और गाड़ियां मैनिफेस्ट हो रही हैं इधर.
Hmm.
Hey, but
You
don't
put
doubt,
your
na,
thought.
it
Yeah,
has already
your focus is different,
been
right? So
there
whatever your focus, that is manifesting.
also.
Hmm.
या मतलब अगर चाहोगे तो शायद मैं वो चाहूंगी तो वो
Hmm.
हो जाएगा ना.
Correct. Yeah.
तो कई बार क्या होता है, आंटी के घर जाने दो, मम्मी को वो, कुछ लोग मट्ठी वगैरह दे विल कीप. तो वी वर थिंकिंग कि ये हो तो वही मिल जाता है. ऐसे स्मॉल थिंग्स तो होती ही हैं. तो मोहम्मद सिंह, हाँ इसने ये बोला था आंटी के घर ये, तो दैट थिंग्स हैपन, बट वो हम याद नहीं रखते ना डेली वाला. तो
Hmm.
दीज थ्री,
Conscious living नहीं
मतलब
है ना हमारी, conscious living नहीं है.
मेरा डाउटफुल नेचर भी है, तो मुझे ये थ्री तो बिलीफ बनाने वाला, मैं खुद को रिमाइंड करवा रही होती हूँ कि वो 3 स्टोरीज याद है.
Wonderful.
या
All right.
Hmm.
Thank you, Komal, for
Hmm.
sharing your wins. Congratulations. God bless you
That
with
was
many success.
talking,
Hmm?
that was the band.
क्या?
योगा में बंद होते हैं, त्रिबंध, अंत
फूल
कुंभ,
बंद.
बाह्य कुंभ. So he was basically doing practice those कुंभ. वो योगा से ही वो उन्होंने डॉक्टर जो डिस्पेंजा ने
Hmm.
योगा, गीता एंड एवरीथिंग
इट इज
वाज
लाइक बंद किया ना, बंद कीगल्स, कीगल्स.
एंड या उसको अंत कुंभ, बाह्य कुंभ बोलते हैं योगा
ओके.
में. So he specifically mentioned into his this thing कि I am doing these yogic practices
Okay.
from
Yeah.
India.
Yeah.
So it's like that. और हम ये सब योगा में करते थे.
करते हैं.
I still remember I used to do. मैंने कहा यार ये तो हमारा ही त्रिबंध है.
हाँ, मतलब
हाँ
आप मसल्स को बंद कर रहे हो.
हाँ
That is done in art of living also.
हाँ एडवांस कोर्स में सिखाते हैं ना वो बंद लगाना.
या ब्रीथ को बाहर पूरा निकाल देते हो.
यहाँ क्या कर रहे थे, ऊपर ले जाके होल्ड कर रहे हैं हेड पे, आई गेस.
वो भी करते हैं, वो होता है इसीलिए ही है. तो
क्या विजडम हुई है.
Karishma can, if someone has not experienced, we all can practice sometime वही same meditations.
मैंने नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया ये. आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट.
Yeah,
I'm glad that I
मतलब वो proper way होगा तो you will have that meditation, then you will be able to do. जो Dispenza की meditations लगा लेना and then you will have it. Yeah.
Sure.
YouTube.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your shares. See you tomorrow. We will decide the time over WhatsApp and let's see when can we meet tomorrow.
सब वैसे ही aligned है. You're already aligned. Let's say that. We all are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
God bless you all.